guys, if you're a Chanel lover, you know they just released their new collection. It's the last collection of Karl Lagerfeld, and I'm actually going there today to check it out, to see the new pieces that they have. I'm actually looking for a bag, the Coco Handle one. The last time I've been there, they didn't have any colors except for some metallic purple, which was a little bit extravaganza and it looked a little bit weird. But now on the website I've seen that they have this new white and all black chevron one, which looked amazing, so I want to go and check them out. I really want to take you with me, but I'm not sure if I'll be allowed to film because it's Chanel and it's very difficult with Chanel, but I'm gonna try and at least take some photos or videos on my phone so I can share them with you. Hi there again, I'm back home now. I am so tired, but I really wanted to film this video for you guys because I know a lot of you don't have a direct access to Chanel to see the new fall winter 2019-2020 collection. So I went in there today because my mom was looking for a specific bag, so I went to look for it, and my hair looks so disgusting right now, but honestly I was hunting down this bag for about 3 maybe 4 hours, so yeah, I don't really pay attention to my hair. What's important is that I found the bag and I got it. This bag is actually for my mom. Again, she was looking for it for the longest time ever, and I'm so excited to show it to you. It was actually her idea, so I filmed this for you guys, but I also thought it would be really interesting for you to see the new collection. Anyway, I will insert a couple of clips so you can see them right now. What I thought about this collection in general is that I liked it. I genuinely liked it. Sometimes I'm not really into their collections, especially when they have too much color going on, too much pink or too much black or gold. Not everything was on display because they just received all the goodies, all the bags and the shoes. I actually didn't even check out the shoes because I was too busy looking for this bag, but I tried to film a little bit of the accessories, a little bit of bags here and there, just to give you a general idea of what the color palette would look like this season. And I was really impressed because I loved all the colors. There wasn't a color that I didn't like. I really loved the metallic gray color. I thought it was so beautiful. I also loved the new white color. It is so white, it's like ultra white, and they had a lot of blues and a lot of reds and burgundies, and I think these are just the right color for fall and transitioning into winter. It is also a very special collection because it's actually the last collection that Karl Lagerfeld created himself. The only thing I didn't actually see the business affinity bag, and that was a little bit weird for me because I know a lot of people in the luxe community are sort of into this bag. I don't really like it. So I didn't really care if it was there or not. It was just my observation. And also the other thing is that I'm really into a vanity case bag, and Geneva, Switzerland didn't order any vanity cases this season, which was an epic fail. So at least I got something for my mom. I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. I think you're gonna love it. It is something a little bit more special and something she really loved. So here's the bag. As always, it's just beautifully packed. You know, every time I buy something from Chanel, it just brings me so much joy because I don't know, the whole experience is very amazing, and also the packaging is so beautiful. Look at this, the white ribbon, black box with this beautiful camellia. It's just so perfect. Okay, let's unbox it and see what I got from my mom. You know, since it was the first day, a lot of these bags actually sold out like very quickly. but at the same time they still had a big variety of them, so it was very difficult to choose because yeah, they had quite a lot, as I said. Okay. Yeah, here it is, the cute little baby. Here is the backpack inside, and also I've got the little care booklet with the little cloth. I'm gonna keep it inside because this bag will go to my mom and I really want her to enjoy unboxing everything and seeing everything. So here is the little baby. It is so cute. This is the Chanel Coco handle in size mini or small. They call it small. This bag was released, I think, about 3 years ago now. Yeah, I think about 3 years ago. And when they just launched the Coco handle bag, this is the design they came up with, basically. The handle, as you can see, is a serpent leather. I know Chanel stopped producing any exotic skins leather, but this is a serpent leather, so it's not very like protected. I'm not quite sure if it's even right. That's why they still make this bag with this snake leather, which is, in my opinion, so beautiful. When my mom saw this bag for the first time, it was 3 years ago, the price was so much lower. They increased in price so much. So the first time she saw it in the exact same style with the snake skin on the handle, but in the medium size and in color blue. It was like very dark blue color, and she wasn't sure about the bag because it was still new. She didn't know if it will stick around, if that's something she likes that much to buy. And so the next year she decided to buy it. It was out of stock. This year she actually got a medium-sized Coco handle, but in yellow, because she had an option between green, pink and yellow, and she decided to go for yellow. And now they finally brought back the snake handle in this beautiful black color. We couldn't find black anywhere. It was so difficult. It's in black caviar leather with a chevron. So beautiful, so classy. It has a back pocket over here. All the lining, by the way, is black. It's not burgundy but black. Then when you open it, it actually, what I love about this is that it has this vintage gold hardware, and it also has a little like stamp over here they used to make back in the day. So when you open the bag, it seems quite small and quite tiny, but it is actually pretty big. It is very wide and it's quite deep as well. So here are the two compartments. The first one is the bigger one, and then there is a smaller one where you can slide in your phone, for example. Then there is another zip pocket in here where I have the authenticity card, series 28, brand new, so cool. And as you can see, the lining of the bag is all black, and it is also all fabric inside. It's not leather, so the bag is not heavy at all. It is pretty light, which is amazing as well. It also comes with a strap. This is a shorter strap than from a medium-sized Coco handle, so I think you can wear it crossbody, but it won't look as nice. Let me try crossbody. Yeah, you see, when I put it crossbody, because of the handle, it looks a little bit awkward. I don't know, it doesn't look as flattering. Yeah. And anyway, it's for my mom, and I'm pretty sure she's just gonna wear it on her shoulder or on the crook of her arm like this. So I wanted to see how much it can fit, because my mom doesn't really like very tiny handbags. That's why she was at first a little bit afraid of getting this one, the small size. But then I tried putting everything I had in my purse, and I had quite a lot, and everything fit. So that's what I told her, and she was, of course, she was down for it. Also, at the bottom of the bag we have 4 feet, which is also really good. You can put your bag on flat surfaces and not worry about it being scratched or getting dirty, because this feet will obviously protect it. The whole style in general is just so beautiful. Anyway, this is the bag I got for my mom. She's so happy and excited, and she can't wait to see the little cutie, touch it, feel it, wear it. I'm so excited for her, and I'm very happy I went there today when they just received the new collection, because this was the only bag they received in this color combination in the whole Geneva, and I'm so glad I managed to get it before anybody else did. They also have the same one but in the beige color, in the light beige color, which is also absolutely stunning. It is so gorgeous. I wish I could take both of them home with me, one for my mom next time, hopefully. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog slash unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!